In this module, I'll introduce capacitors and inductors. Capacitors and inductors are circuit elements that are used to store and release energy. They're still passive elements, meaning they cannot generate power. However, they can store energy and they can release it. They can get really complicated. We can describe them with Maxwell equations and we can dig to the physics of them, but for the purpose of circuit analysis, I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in is describe their terminal behavior. Specifically, how does the current and voltage change across them? So I'll show you how to solve circuits containing capacitors and inductors, specifically DC circuits that contain capacitors and inductors and the currents and voltages are not changing. I'll also show you how to deal with capacitors and inductors when the currents or voltage are changing. I'll also show you how, if you have a bunch of capacitors or a bunch of inductors combined in series and parallel, how you can combine them, similar to what we did with resistors. And towards the end, I'll touch on operational amplifier configurations that contains basically capacitors. You'll see that they basically function as integrators or differentiators.